It's the Young Mogul. My name is David, and this is Origin.98. Welcome to the workshop, your first stop and destination for everything streetwear, fashion, and the culture itself. So first thing first up today, we will be getting started on a lace tutorial. I'm here to show you how to get the Union 1 lace look, and I'm going to show you what that's going to finally look like on my red toes. So just like the Union 1s has the two-tone laces, got black at the bottom, red at the top. I'm gonna show you how to just feed out the black and put the red up top. So this is your example, and here's where we're gonna start. You're gonna need a pair of sneakers. 1, 2, maybe you might need some shoe trees to hold the shape of the shoe as well. 3, need laces. Lots and lots of laces. I always have them on deck. And maybe some scissors to, cut some now or make sure things are good. All right, next up, on from here. Let's get on to step 1 of the process. All right. So these are the Turbo Green Air Jordan 1s right here. So first thing first, what we're gonna do is I gotta pick what shoe I want to take out my white laces for the top part. So I'm gonna do my right one. So first thing first, you're just gonna unlace it. As you can see it, you're gonna take these out. Simple as that. Take it all the way out past this aglet again. Now, once you take that fully out, all you're gonna do is literally just feed it right back in through here. So you're gonna take it through that hole and just carry it straight through and pull it right through. Then you're gonna do the same for the other side. You're gonna pull it straight through and have it straight through. Make sure it's nice and flat and even when you pull that through. So when you're done with that, you're gonna have an inside part looking just like that with these going straight through. You're technically done with that part. This is all done. Next up, what you need next will be your purple laces. I'm using the purple to hint off of the purple that's right here, but let me make sure I'm grabbing the right purple lace so it can look good. Yeah, we're all good. So first things first, you're gonna take it as if you're going right back into it. So you're gonna feed these straight into, sorry, you're actually gonna come in from the inside. My apologies. So take it straight through on each side of these slits in the middle of the shoe. So then you have this little loop right here. Make sure you even these up as best as possible. So they're even, but of course they'll be too long because the objective here is to make these purple laces basically tie up the remainder of the shoe. So this will probably be a little bit too much. So you're just going to use this to adjust it just as such. Just pull it back and then put that right back into the shoe. So probably might have to go back and readjust it again, but I think this should be just enough. I'm actually going to readjust it, pull a little bit more out, and I think we should be good from here. So from here, you're going to lace up as usual. So when you're with my right shoe, I always started with taking the lace in your left hand, putting over and having the right. So basically just right over left. So it goes as so. So you're gonna take this lace and finish this process up top. So you're gonna feed it through this eyelet right here, straight through to finish that process over there, as well for the other side. And then now you just look like you're about to regularly lace up the shoe. So first things first, I'm gonna feed that over that way. And then boom. Boom. And then the final step would just be to lace it all up together and tie that nice little knot, how I tie mine at the end. Personally, I would redo this one and just feed this in a little bit more to make this there you have it. Two-tone laces just like that. This is pretty much the final product. I'm about to show you one more time on my Travis Scott ones as well. So, Travis Scott ones, right? Gonna speed through this one real quick. So, just as so. That fed back in, just as so. Grab your pink lace. Feed it in from the inside on both ends, just as so. Make sure it's nice and tight. Perfect. Now you got them just like that. Pull them straight up. Make sure it's even, and then just do it just like last time. Adjust that perfectly, it's just as so. Have it to a nice good length. And I think this should be good. Put the pink laces back in the inside. And then do it so. Sorry, man. My apologies. Take that one right over there. Right there. That one through there. Make sure they're still the same length. Pull them in, move out. And then finish lacing up the shoe. And then make the final knot at the end and be all set. So just that, I'll probably readjust it as well. Just again, a little long, one more time. And put a thumbs up if you checked out that Big Sean album yet, man. I think it's a great body of art, y'all. And that's what I've been playing for the duration of this video. So like, if you checked it out, drop your favorite song in the comment. Let's talk about the album. Go from here, straight through. Boom, 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 boom. And now it's crispy. So, got two shoes for you, showing you how it was done. As well, I did my off-whites with the orange up top. As well, as I showed you earlier. Oh, I got my black toes like that as well. And last but not least, show us off first, red toes. So just different flavors, how they come, how you can do them. So that's the tutorial. Thank y'all for tuning in. Appreciate you tuning to the next video. Peace.